with my new project, my mosaic tiles project. It's a glass, and I just wanna share it to you. I'm gonna make another project, and I'll show it to you again, guys. Bye bye. Good day to everyone.
Sabay ang tugtog ng gitara, idaraan na lang sa gitara.